Hey guys, welcome back. Today I'm going to unbox my March Birchbox and oh my god, it's already March. So yeah, if you want to see what I got this month, then please keep watching. Alright, so let's see what we have in this cute little box. Ooh, so the box is so pretty. I think this is a collaboration with, I don't know, Coco. I don't know exactly, it says here, but I cannot read it. Anyway, let's see what, but look at these colors. She's so pretty. What if I do her makeup? Like draw some lips, her eyes, the nose? I don't know. Alright, so let's see what we have inside. You rock. It says you rock. Birchbox Girl Boss. Alright. Alright, so I guess the theme for this month is Girl Boss. And is in collaboration with Coco Dáves. Okay, so we have a little card with Coco Dáves and it says nothing. That's cute. And also we have, do you know your skin? So this is a test. That's cute. I'm going to look at this a little bit later, but I have some, I don't know how you call them, but it's to take the test. To see your pH level. Oh my gosh. Okay, so I'm going to take a look a little bit later, but that's interesting. I'm excited. Alright, so I guess that was an extra or a gift. I don't know exactly because I can see it in the info card. Alright, so the first thing I see is this shampoo. This is from the brand Sabon, so I guess it's a Spanish brand, I don't know. So it says green rose enriched with Manna butter and ehhh, whatever is that. Alright, so it says made in Israel. So yeah, nourishing hair shampoo, and that's it. Okay, so let's see how this smells. Oh, it's sealed. You see, I really like when some sample sizes came sealed. That's plus. Alright, so the full size for this is €14.50 and it says that this has natural oils and minerals from Dead Sea, which is very interesting, and also has omega-3, 6 and 9 in vitamin E, butter, Manna butter, ehhh extract, I don't know what that is, and this is salt free. Wow, that's very interesting. Alright, so the next product is this Eucerin pH 5 Skin Protection Lotion, and this is for sensitive skin, and this is a pretty good sample. Alright, so this retails for €14.55. And yeah, it's a body lotion. Alright, so next I'm going to go with this. What is this? This is by Glov and it says quick treats, innovative magnetic fibers, remove makeup only with water. What? No cleansers. Glov removes makeup only with water. A new micro technology for beauty with star-shaped microfibers, 100 times thinner than a human hair. Say what? Lasts 3 months. Comfortable for contact lenses users. Hypoallergenic for all skin types. What? Oh my god. Alright, so this retails for €12.99 and seems like it's just for one finger. This fits one finger. Alright, so let's see this because I'm curious if I can open this. Alright. Ooh. Oh my god, this is so tiny. Alright, so yeah, has some instructions. Alright, so it comes in 3 colors: white, purple and gray or something like that. So you fit your finger in here, you wet this, and then you remove your makeup. Oh my god! So this is so interesting. I think I'm going to try this tonight. So yeah, this is Glow on the go. So cute. Alright, so I have only 2 more products left. And let's see, this is from Manna Kadar and is a liquid highlight, and the name is Glow Illuminator. This is in the shade, no shade, but looks like a pinkish rose gold, something like that. Alright, so let's see. Oh my god, this retails for 27 euros and 55 cents. And this is the second product I got in my Birchbox subscriptions from Manna Kadar. First product I got, it was a duo highlight and bronzer, and I really love that. So yeah, this is cute. Let's see the color. It's so tiny, it looks like a lip balm or lip gloss, something like that. Ooh. Right, so I'm going to apply some on the back of my hand. I think I applied a little bit too much. I don't know if you can see this on camera, but this is so smooth. And a little bit goes a very long way, but I don't know if you can see it, because I can't see it either. It doesn't smell, but yeah, it's kinda not there. Yeah, it's completely gone. So I think this is nice to mix with your foundation or to apply it before foundation. My skin feels pretty nice, but maybe I have to shake it. Let's see. So it says apply it with your fingers, with your sponge, or with the brush. So I'm going to apply again here, and let's see. Yeah, so I mean, it's very subtle. You can barely see it. I mean, yeah, I don't know, I'm not impressed at all. But it's nice to mix this with your foundation or apply it before your foundation. I'm going to try that actually tomorrow. So yeah, 27 euros for this. Alright, so the last product I got in my Birchbox is this Eyeko London Skinny Liquid Eyeliner in black. So it says precise, smudge proof, and pitch black. Let's see that. Ooh, that's black. Yeah, I don't know if you can see. Yeah, that's black. Alright, so let's see if this is smudge proof. What? No, sorry. Alright, so definitely this is not smudge proof. Anyway, Eyeko. So this retails for 19 euros and 50 cents. That's a little too expensive, so definitely I'm not gonna pay 19 euros for an eyeliner who doesn't do what it says. You see, this is not smudge proof. So yeah, alright, let's see what this test says about my pH level. I have a little bag with some liquid in it, so yeah, I'm going to read what they say. So it says, carefully open the bag so that it does not spill the liquid it contains. This is the bag. Insert the strip. Wait, what strip? Okay, right, so I got 2 strips. Insert the strip by its colored end into the bag by immersing it in the liquid for 5 seconds. Take out the strip and press it by its colored end on your wrist for 25 seconds. Compare the color that has appeared on the strip with the scale shown in this brochure. What color corresponds? Okay, let's do that. One, two, three, Where do I put this now? Here, okay. Alright, so I'm going to put my timer for 25 seconds. And start. Okay. I don't know if this worked. Alright, so I think I got a 6. Is that a 6? Alright, so it says between 5 and 6, a good hydration and the protection of the skin is recommended. And less than 5 or greater than 6, this indicates an imbalance that must be corrected by specific treatment. What? Alright, so I don't know exactly. So I think I need a specific treatment. Yeah, I don't know. This is interesting. Very interesting. Alright guys, so this was my March Birchbox and I'm so excited to try this Glov Quick Treat Magnetic Fibers Remove Makeup Only with Water. This sounds so interesting, so I think I'm going to use this tonight. I'm going to remove my makeup with this and see if this works. So I'm excited to try this. And I'm not impressed by this Manna Kadar Liquid Illuminator. You saw this does nothing, so I'm going to mix this with my foundation and see if that does something. But 27 euros for this, no thank you. And this Eyeko liner is not smudge proof, but it's pitch black, so I'm not gonna lie about that. And I guess it's not that bad. So yeah, I got the body lotion, a shampoo. What can I say? Oh, and this Eucerin test was very interesting. Very interesting. So yeah, I hope you enjoyed my video. Please subscribe if you haven't already. Take care and I will see you in my next one. Mwah. Eucerin. Ha! Alright, so this month... Oh my god, look at my finger. I need to clean my finger, okay? Be right back.